This, of course, is our gala dinner celebrating 30 years of International Community School. What an enjoyable evening we're going to have.
Tonight, I'd like to thank you for joining us. Together, we celebrate the past 30 years and look ahead toward what God has in store for the next 30 years.
Imagine starting a school in high-cost Singapore with no money. And here we are, 30 plus years later, still looking to Jesus, still looking to the future, because the Lord indeed has been with ICS.
ICS truly is a catalyst on a global level because of its deep commitment to producing global leaders with a biblical worldview. And I think what has been accomplished over the past 30 years is a wonderful predictor of what we can expect in the future.
Now, if the history of ICS has taught us anything, is that ICS is God's school. And for this reason, we can take comfort in knowing that He will continue to provide and protect ICS.
Of course, we have got this wonderful art around the room. You can look at the pieces themselves, or you can go online and you just scan the QR code, make yourself a little account and get going on bidding. We want to thank you for joining with us. We want to thank the school. We want to thank all the parents. We want to thank everybody that worked so hard. It's been an incredible evening.